Google Authenticator is a mobile app that provides an additional layer of security for your online accounts by generating verification codes. Here's how to use it. Download and install the app. Go to the Google Play Store for Android devices or the Apple App Store for iOS devices and search for Google Authenticator. Download and install the app on your smartphone. Set up Google Authenticator for an account. Once installed, open the app. You'll typically set up Google Authenticator for each specific online account you want to secure. This involves enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, on the respective website or service. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on the website or service. Log into your account on the website or service you want to protect. Navigate to the Security or Account Settings, where you'll find an option to enable two-factor authentication, sometimes called two-step verification or multi-factor authentication. Scan the QR code or enter the secret key. When prompted to set up 2FA, the website or service will usually provide you with a QR code to scan or a secret key to enter into Google Authenticator. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone and tap the plus icon or the scan barcode option. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on the website or manually enter the secret key provided. Verify and confirm. After scanning the QR code or entering the secret key, Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit verification code for that account. Enter this code on the website or service to verify and confirm the setup of 2FA. Use generated codes for authentication. Once set up, whenever you log into the account, you'll need to provide your username and password as usual. Additionally, you'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit verification code generated by Google Authenticator. Open the app on your phone to view the current verification code and enter it on the website or service to complete the login process. Generating backup codes, optional. Some websites or services allow you to generate backup codes in case you lose access to your phone or Google Authenticator. Store these backup codes securely, as they can be used to access your account if you're unable to generate verification codes through the app. By using Google Authenticator, you add an extra layer of security to your online accounts, helping to protect them from unauthorized access. Remember to keep your smartphone secure, as anyone with access to your phone could potentially generate verification codes for your accounts. Thank you for watching.